Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of economics of class 9th. The title of the chapter is People as a Resource. In the previous video, we have discussed quality of population, education, education scenario in India, health. In this video, we are going to discuss unemployment, nature of unemployment in India and its types of unemployment. Unemployment exists when people who are willing to work at the going wages but they can't find jobs. The workforce includes all people from the age of 15 years to 59 years, children and elderly people. It means below 59 below 15 years and above 60 years are not included in workforce. So they are not considered as unemployed. Nature of unemployment in India. In the case of India, there is unemployment in both rural and urban areas. In rural areas, there is seasonal and disguised unemployment. Urban areas have mostly educated unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. It happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. It means the person who are engaged in agriculture can't find jobs for 12 months. They dependent upon agriculture, but in a year they can't find jobs 4 or 5 months or 6 months. And disguised unemployment. When all the people appear to be employed, but the work requires less number of persons, this situation is known as disguised unemployment. For example, a small farmer's entire family is working on his plot, although all may not be required to do so. It means if the number of labor is required only two, but all the family members are engaged, so this is considered as a disguised unemployment. Educated unemployment. In urban areas, many young people with having education, matriculation, graduation, and post graduation, and other degrees, they are not able to find jobs. This situation leads to educated unemployment. A paradoxical manpower situation is observed when surplus of manpower in certain categories coexist with shortage of manpower in others. Effects of unemployment. Unemployment has a harmful impact on the overall growth of an economy of a country. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of a depressed economy. It also wastes the resources which could have been gainfully employed. Unemployment affects the economy in various ways. Unemployment leads to the wastage of manpower resource. People who can be an asset for the economy turns into a liability. Feeling of helplessness and despair occurs among the youth. People do not have enough money to support their family. Inability of educated people willing to work to find gainful employment implies a great social waste. Unemployment tends to increase economic overload. The dependence of the unemployed on the working population increases. The quality of life of an individual as well as of society is adversely affected. There is a general decline in health status and rising withdrawal from the school system. Labor observing sector of economy. Agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy, but employment in this sector has declined because of disguised unemployment. The surplus people have moved to work in secondary and tertiary sectors. A small scale manufacturing absorbs most of the labor in the secondary sector. New employment opportunities are emerging in the tertiary sector in IT, biotechnology, call centers, and other service areas. We are going to define two terms: gross national product and gross domestic product. At first, gross national product, a measure to value what the country's citizens produce in a given year, whether or not the production occurred in the country itself is known gross national product. And gross domestic product, a measure to value the total final production in a country in a given year, is called gross domestic product.